Is it time to buy or sell LogicMark stock? In this video, we will explore LogicMark in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction, as well as a detailed analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 2nd of May, 2025, our system has ranked LogicMark as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -4.88. Now let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock has broken through a significant downward trend in the short term. This indicates a slower rate of decline, which may signal an early shift in the trend. During any reaction, there will be support at the level of 0.008, a price that could present a second opportunity for investors seeking gains. According to fan theory, 0.332 will likely serve as the next potential peak level, representing a resistance point that may be challenging to surpass on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of nearly -99% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -100% to -99.56%. Examining the longer term, a 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of -99.90%. Our calculations imply that the stock's performance could fluctuate between -100% and -100.36% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 0 and -0.00006320965225. Our latest daily update for LogicMark includes the headline, Significant Fluctuations in LogicMark Incorporated Stock Price on Friday, moving 40.65% between high and low. The LogicMark Incorporated stock price decreased by 17.45% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, dropping from $0.0212 to $0.0175. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 40.65%, ranging from a low of $0.0155 to a high of $0.0218. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and has risen by 86.17% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can be a positive sign, as volume should typically follow the stock's movement. On that day, the trading volume fell by 870 million shares, with a total of 388 million shares being exchanged for approximately $6.8 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $24, while the lowest price was $0.0071. Currently, the price is 99.93%, or $23.98, below the 52-week high, and 100%, or $1,484.98, below the all-time high recorded on the 21st of March, 2022, when the price peaked at $1,485. LogicMark Inc., trading under the symbol LGMK, has recently made headlines with key developments that could influence its stock performance. On the 28th of April, the company announced a new leadership structure for its board committees, aligning them with strategic goals. This move suggests a focused effort towards enhancing governance, which may instill investor confidence and promote a more stable corporate environment. Additionally, LogicMark has been actively securing contracts and approvals for its medical alert systems, including recent approval to deliver its innovative technology through the U.S. General Services Administration, targeting veterans and seniors. This could drive sales growth in a market that increasingly prioritizes health technology, potentially enhancing revenue in the short term. Moreover, the company also recently completed a public offering that raised $14.4 million, which could bolster its financial position and facilitate expanded operations or product development. The announcement of new product launches, such as the next-generation Guardian Alert 911 Plus, further underscores its commitment to innovation and could enhance its competitive edge. In the context of current trading, LGMK's increased volume on the Nasdaq indicates heightened market interest, which often correlates with potential stock price volatility. Investors should monitor these developments closely, as positive momentum around product approvals and strategic governance changes can lead to appreciation in stock price, both in the short and long term. Analysts have assigned LogicMark stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for LogicMark. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals were also issued, which may influence the near short-term development. LogicMark Incorporated stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in a general sell signal for the stock, providing a more negative forecast. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at approximately 4.78 cents. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at around 1.48 cents. A breakout above the long-term average will yield another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce an additional sell signal, reinforcing the general trend. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, and thus far, it has fallen by 17.45%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk as volume should typically align with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 207 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 6 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 5 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for LogicMark. LogicMark Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at 0.0174. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when this support is tested. This stock can experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Additionally, with a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 0.0063 between its high and low, which equates to 40.65%. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 54.57%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for LogicMark, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Established companies can also go through tough periods, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and could imply risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 21st of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at a loss of 3 cents per share. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for LogicMark. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for LogicMark is at 0.0188. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, LogicMark encounters its first support level at 0.0174. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for LogicMark from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 27th of March, 2025, LGMK conducted an insider purchase of 67,794 shares of Series A common stock purchase warrant. On the same day, Pettit John P. also conducted an insider purchase of 67,794 shares of Series A common stock purchase warrant. Additionally, on the 27th of March, 2025, Simmons Chia Lin made an insider purchase of 67,794 shares of Series A common stock purchase warrant. Furthermore, Schneider Karine conducted an insider purchase of 67,794 shares of Series A common stock purchase warrant on the same day. Lastly, Gutierrez Barbara also conducted an insider purchase of 67,794 shares of Series A common stock purchase warrant on the 27th of March, 2025. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 95.074. Overall, insiders purchased 6,178,069 shares and sold 0 shares in the last 100 trades. This stock has received a negative evaluation, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is LogicMark stock a good buy? LogicMark Inc. presents several negative indicators, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses identified in the technical analysis, we have revised our evaluation from a hold or accumulate to a sell recommendation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 5th of May, we anticipate that LogicMark will open higher, increasing by 0.8 of a dollar, starting at 1830 cents. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.